Our new ParBike showed up today, so we're going to unbox and assemble it. You need to have a cordless drill with a Phillips tip. It'll go lots faster. Get it all unboxed, and inside the box there's some cardboard boxes that have the mirrors and the battery and other accessories. Now we take the canopy frame out. We don't need that till at the end of the video. We put a 5-gallon pail under the front so I can attach the wheels, tighten the nut up till you're about 1/16 of an inch slack, 1.5 millimeters. And you do the same thing on both sides. The wheels are identical, so you're not going to get them on the wrong side. Then it's ready to go. You can get on it, ride it now. There are some things that we've got to do. Seat adjustments, for example. Get it in the exact spot you want and have it leaning back the way you want. Now that's accomplished with these brackets. You put a bolt through there that has a adjustable cam lever for tightening it. Look how easy that is. You just locate it where you want it and then tighten that, pull that cam lever and it'll lock it in place real good. It's done exactly the same way when you do the seat, except that there's 2 cam levers to hold the seat in place and it won't come loose. Put on those mirrors. If you're doing the sport version without the canopy, you can put them on right away. For my part, I got to wait till the end, but in the sport model, you don't need to wait. This is the, I love this hydraulic brake with a parking brake feature on it. Now we're going to remove the battery pack. There's where the key goes. Take that out. We're going to remove the wiring harness. And then we take off the metal bracket that's holding the battery pack in. Here again, they're using the adjustable cam lever. Unscrew that thing and the front bracket will come off. Remove the battery pack. Do whatever you're going to do and then put it back in. Those adjustable cam levers, turn it on there and pull the lever across. It locks it in place and the battery's fastened in real well. The next thing is the battery charger. There's a little port on the back side of the battery so you can plug it in. So you can plug that in and the wiring harness. Now activating battery assist. Push that little button in the middle and it comes on. And if you push the plus sign, you'll see that the level of assist goes up. And if you push the minus sign, the level of assistance goes down. And then hit that button in the center to shut off the display. Now to attach the basket on the front, there's 4 bolts and nuts and mounting straps, and you'll have to use a 7/16 inch 7/16 inch socket wrench. Pretty easy to do. And there, the sport version of the bike is assembled. And now I got to take the mirror off because I'm going to put the canopy frame on. And the canopy frame fits in where those mirrors are. You'll see that when Diane and I carry it out. We'll have to put that canopy frame into the hole where the mirror was. And Diane gets it in there, then I stretch it out and pop the other side in. And now I'm going to reattach the mirrors on each side. And then I'm going to run around the back of the bike. Here again, we got to use a 7/16 inch wrench and a socket. We've got 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 4 washers to put on. This goes fairly easy as well to fasten the canopy frame down. Here comes Diane again. She's going to help me get the canopy on. You can do it alone, but it sure is nice to have help. There's really good clips to hold that in place. That's not going to come off. This is our second bike like this, but because we wanted the motor option, we upgraded, and we really love it.